This is the beginning of the Lao Zhai Mountain hike, and it starts from the what I call it, Xingbing Wharf. The trail at some part is very steep. It was not well maintained, but I knew it before I come. It's half an hour now, I think, roughly. It's not dangerous, but I would say if it's rain, then don't come when it's raining. When it gets muddy, it will be very slippery. Final climb to the top. This is kind of like Via Ferrata. Ooh, nice. There's the top. After 40-45 minutes, very steep hike. Ooh. So at the top of pagoda, this is what you will see. Nice view of the whole of Xingbing, Li River. Nice. I think over there is the place that hotel is somewhere there. I think a nicer view is at the top, which you're gonna go soon. The last climb to the top is a bit tricky, but with some good shoes, use a hand and the feet a bit, it should be okay. So finally at the top of the Lao Zhai Mountain. It's nice here. If you like mountain and you want to see the Yangshuo area, this is the one place you must come. This is another viewpoint. This is more room to move around. Yeah. And there is one nice place over here that we are waiting in line to get the best picture or video of Yangshuo.
A little bit challenging, not to say very difficult, but a little bit. Yeah.
A little bit challenging, but it's definitely worth it to come here. Because you technically see all the view here.
360 degrees.
We are going to the Ruyi Mountain, and to start the trip we have to take the cable car ride. going up the Ruyi Mountain now. The price if you buy on the website is around 220, so make sure that we buy from the locals or from the tour agent because it's only costs us around 160 renminbi. Wow, the scenery is spectacular. Only when you're up here then you realize that actually the Yangshuo, the mountains is a lot. I think in my eyesight there are 10,000 of peaks here. This is the whole wheel of the walk, the hike we're going to do. The bridge, hanging bridge. Wow, and below I think there is a glass bridge. We are now walking to the peak, Ruyi Peak. I think it takes us an hour maybe and a half to complete the hiking trail. It was very well maintained, and in actual fact you can wear your skirt or even just flip-flops to go to the peak. That is the top, Ruyi Peak. We are walking into the glass walkways. They say it's going to be very scary. For YouTube's sake, we have to look very scary. Look scared. Ah!
My heart cannot carry me anymore.
Your leg is trembling. Your leg must be trembling. Come on, like that. Ah.
No, I cannot. I cannot.
Go, 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 go. One looks scary. Oh no. But to some may have fear of heights, so you might need to be cautious. Actually, I'm more scared of my pocket tree dropping onto the... Yeah, because I'm holding to this pocket tree video tightly, because if I drop down there, I cannot even... So that is what I'm thinking when I'm walking through the... Ooh! Slippery. So they put out some bumper.
These things there, so that when you slip down, you have something to grab on, right?
Ah, so
Makes
this
sense.
is safety features so that you don't slip down. All the bunnies and pumpkin. Now we're on the other side. Oh, I can see the plank road already. Huh? At the side. See the plank road.
Oh.
Whoa. Looks scary. China is known to make this kind of glass walkway in a lot of the mountains in China. Here we go. You okay?
Oh. After 2 hours.
But this is very safe.
Don't look down, it's better.
So here they will give you the free little photo. And they took photo just now. But the bigger ones you need to pay. It's not very expensive, but we have a lot of photo already with our cameras.
You won't keep hard copy anyway.
Nobody keep hard copy nowadays. We arrived at the Xianggong Mountain base station after a 25 minutes ride. From here the climb is only 10-15 minutes, very quick. We were stuck inside this bunker for almost 30 minutes because it's raining. But I think the rain is clear up slightly and the view becomes brighter now. So this is the Xianggong San top terminal. The weather is better now, so very lucky to have the rain going away.